welcome back to another Bobby's Backyard Autoworks. Here we're on the STS today. Finally, we're going to paint the rear bumper. I already started sanding it down. Still got to prep it some more. Coming out pretty good. Got the paint sitting over there by the truck, and I think I'm gonna have to buy a battery for this. I just did a battery test, says there's only 20% capacity, so I'm charging it up for right now, and then during next week probably get another battery. That's unfortunate. Oh yeah, and I got the mirror off already. I gotta open the trunk for that. Whew, almost forgot about that. All right, let's get the mirror, let's get the bumper off, get the pop-up up, and hopefully we'll paint this in today. All right, almost forgot to film, man. Like I said, I got going, pressed for time. Whew, so it's prepped. Got bulldog on this. On the black, I'm gonna paint it all one color. There's nothing black on the car, it's all blue and chrome, so I'm gonna paint that one color. Got the mirror right here hanging, got the bumper hanging, got the paint ready. Put it in the gun. Let's start shooting. All right, lighting sucks, sorry about that. There are a lot of imperfections in the bumper. Like I said, it wasn't like that when I saw the pictures, but like I said, I was already there. It was a almost an hour drive, 2-hour round trip, so I grabbed the bumper. Better than what it was. Came out good, laid out good. Mirror came out good. Heck yeah. So now I'm gonna lay on some clear and we should be good. Heck yeah. All right, laid down the clear, came out nice, smooth, not bad. Like I said, for outdoor work, it's pretty nice. Heck yeah. Here's the mirror. Flawless. I do know how to paint sometimes. But all right, cool. Let this dry. Then I'll put you on time lapse, putting the bumper on maybe. But next, yeah, putting the bumper on, detailing it on the outside. You already saw the video on detailing the inside. It's all clean. Interior is holding up well. But yeah, this thing's almost done. All right, it is the next day here after painting the bumper. Probably what doesn't come out on camera right now, but if you notice, you'll notice. I'll point it out pretty soon. Yeah, I mean, even though it did come out nice, I don't have to color sand it or anything like that. It's shiny, it looks good. Oh man, I gotta use lights. I really do. You see that coming up right there? You can kind of see red. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but like I said, I'm not hiding anything. I'm not ashamed. Yeah, I screwed up. Now I know how they did the front. I remember in another video I was saying, how the heck did they not get enough paint on the fender and on the hood? Now, there you go. I did it. Let's go check out the front. All right, I don't know if it's gonna come out. Ah, there you go, right there. See how it says, show a little bit of gold right there on the paint? I was wondering how they did that. There you go. Over here also. I don't know if it'll come out. There you go. See that spot? And then over here, I don't know if that's coming out. There you go, right there. And then down here, see it, gold. So it matches the rest of the car, man. I mean, I might fix it. I don't know. Like I said, if I have a hard time selling the car with a bullet hole, I got enough paint so I can paint this and spot paint the bumper. So it is what it is. Like I said, I'm not hiding anything. I screwed up. But oh, on another note, I am gonna hook up the, yeah, it's rattling. I'm gonna hook that up right now. But on another note, I'm gonna see if I have a clip. See the support bar, crash bar? It's straight now. On another video, it's tilted down. down. So I'm not sure when I did the trunk that I showed you guys that I changed this. I changed the shocks and I pulled the frame out here. It was a little bent, got it out, but look at that, perfect. Everything good. So that's that. What else? I think that's it. Yeah, so let's get this bumper on and see what it looks like on the car. All right, the bumper is just on. I haven't bolted it up. I still got to put the bolts back in right there, but not bad. That matches pretty damn good. And when it's on, you can really can't really tell that red spot. That's cool. Yeah, I don't really see it. Weird, but looks good. Yes. All right, let me bolt it up, put all the clips in, and a fender liner. I think it's one of those. One's the SRX and one is this one, the STS. So I got to put this fender liner in. Doesn't have one. Plug in all the stuff for the parking sensors and everything. All right, it's coming along. All right, everything's all put back together. Everything lines up. Looking good. This might end this video on this part. I'm not sure. I might do see how long this is already, and if it's not long enough, then I'm gonna wash it up, clay bar, and then ceramic coat, do the headlights again. So that'll be a different video and a different day. All right, it is another day here on the STS. Like I said on the last clip, wasn't sure if it was gonna be long enough, and it is not long enough, so I already started cleaning up. Check out this wheel. Wow. Dang. Did some degreaser and a Brillo pad. Did the whole wheel in white wall. Check it out over here. Big difference. And I already cleaned the wheels on the last video. All right, but yeah, she's gonna look good clean. All right, so I started clay barring just the trunk right now. Look at that junk. That picked it up. Wow. Smooth right here. Damn. All right. Keep on clay barring it. Check that out. Look at the color. It's brown. All the nasty water. Dang. Smooth though now. Heck yeah. It's gonna come out nice with that ceramic coat. All right. So here's the clear, or whatever you call it, ceramic coating that I use. It's off Amazon. I'll put a link down below. I like it. It's not bad. Another YouTuber, that's how I found it. Another YouTuber. I'm not sure if it was Unwrecked or Sleeper Dude, one of the two, but there's the paint. So I'm gonna do the trunk before and after. Pretty sure you can see all the scratches and everything. It should cover all those up. It's already smooth. Comes with that applicator. Got the microfiber and the application cloth. So let's get to it. All right, it is all ceramic coated except for one half of the hood. I'll show you that so you can see the difference. Hopefully it comes out. You should be able to see a line right around here where it's dark and light. Yeah, I don't know, but you can see it though. You can see streaks over there, but no streaks over here. The little fine scratches, that's what this does. The ceramic coating coats everything, fills all the holes, cracks, scratches, whatever you want to call it. It's coming out nice. Did the headlights. Clay bar, ceramic coated. Yeah, she's nice. All right, now do the other half of the hood. I'm done. This will be the end of this video. And there we have it, complete, all done. Just got to do, like I said, a couple of things. Got to do the valve cover gaskets and all four brakes, all four pads all the way around. And that's about it, but I'm not going to film that. I'm going to do that off camera. Pretty sure you've seen enough valve cover gaskets and brakes done, but that's going to complete the Cadillac STS. Sorry for the wind. If you can't hear me. I really need to get a microphone, but this one doesn't take microphones. It's hard. It is a Hero, but it's a waterproof one, so I took out the door, but I just never got one. But yeah, she's looking good. Complete. Headlights came out beautiful. Very, very nice. She does good. Alright. That's going to end this video for the STS and probably for the series. The next one will probably be a walkthrough for sale. So watch that in the incoming weeks. Again, sorry for the wind. Damn. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing on the corner. And if you have, thank you for the support. Please like, share, and comment below. It really helps out the channel. Talk to you guys later.